A lot of social media influencers are talking about big investors in the housing market right now. Odds are you've seen at least one post saying they're buying up all the houses right now. But is it the truth? When you see the numbers for yourself, they tell a very different story. There are about 86 million single family homes in this country, and just 0.4% are owned by big investors. Those are the corporations who have over 1,000 properties. 0.4%. That's a very small number. So if that's been shaping how you see your chances of buying, it might be worth looking at things a little differently. Want a quick breakdown of what's driving the market right here, right now, and where the opportunities are here in the mountains? Let's talk. My name's Rick Andrews, and I help folks looking to buy or sell in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of Northeast Georgia and Western North Carolina. Thanks for watching.